Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find guys where the fuses for the headlight switch are located. Now if you have problems with fuses not working, always check with headlight switch not working, always check these two fuses. We'll explain where you can find them in two different fuse boxes, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, headlight switch fuses, where you can find them, we will demonstrate on the generation Ford Fusion here. By the way, you have multiple fuse boxes and some of them are very hidden. We will recommend to check our video about fuse box location on Ford Fusion, check it out. Open the hood here on the driver's side guys, you see that cover that looks like a T. Go ahead, remove it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the headlight switch we need to check one fuse here, one in another fuse box. If you come in that row of fuses, you count fuse number 1, 2, that's practically 18, 19, 20. The third fuse, number 20 guys, that one you need to check. Then you need to come to the driver's side. You see that's your headlight switch. Here guys now, okay, that trim underneath it, that extends to the other side of the dash. It has 4 clips underneath, one here, one there, 2 like that on the other side. Grab from top to bottom, it opens deep inside the dash on the left side. You'll see the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. You have some double fuses here. Quick piece of advice, get some spares with you guys. Keep some spares because we were in the middle of nowhere, we couldn't find replacement and we were stuck. Here you need to check fuse number 20, right there. That's 19 and 20, 2 fuses integrated in one. But that's one of them for the headlight switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.